Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayat number 236 of Surah Al-Baqarah and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا جناح عليكم إن طلقتم النساء لا two counts long ju for the circle ellipse the sound is short na two counts long ha for fatha open jaws the sound is short a ain from your middle part of your throat fatha open your jaws the sound is short lay, yeah, lean. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, you are making it soft. Lay, kum. For the circle ellipse attach it me, we will get zip off the wasut. For kasra give isan and then this ikhfa is heavy. This ikhfa, for heavy ikhfa, you're lifting your tongue up and you're going towards the makhraj of ta. Qal. Ta is the most heaviest letter in Quran. It has itbaq. It is heavy. So lift your tongue nicely up to pronounce this ta, and then attach it. Lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, but lam will be light. Qal laqa. Because ta and qaf are heavy, don't make lam heavy. Qal laqa. Laqa. Lam is light and attached qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala and qaf is heavy. Two for Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. One for Dhamma circle ellipse attached with noon. Noon will get sifa kunna. This kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni for kasra give e sound. Sa mad muttasil wajib. A for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ma two counts long. Lam for fatha open jaws attached with meme, you will get sifa tawasut. And hukmuhu idhar. Ta sharp sound, no flow of sound. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Mas for fatha open jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sifa rakhawa. It has safir and it is light. Su for the circle ellipse, make it two counts long. Hun for the circle ellipse attached with noon. Noon will get sifa kunna. This kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ow, Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with waw. This waw is lean, so when you are attaching fatha with waw, you are making it soft. Taf, ta is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with sad. Fa, fa will get sifa of rakhawa, and fa is light. Taf, di, ra is light because there is kasra on it. Ri, give takrar in ra. Ri, bu, dot is heavy for Dhamma circle left, make it two counts long. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hun, for Dhamma circle left attached with noon. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fa, give hamsin pa for fatha open jaws. Ri, ra is light because there is kasra on it, and make it two counts long because this is a long vowel. Ba, ba is heavy for fatha open jaws. Keep dot short and then attach with ha. This tha has changed into ha because of the waqf, and you are giving sukoon. This sukoon will bring in rakhawa in this letter. So you will get rakhawa. Fariqa. ومخرج of circle in your left for fatha open jaws. Mat for fatha open jaws attached with ta. Ta will cut off the sound abruptly. Mati for kasra give e sound and the sound is short. Ru ain for dhamma circle ellipse, and ain should be from your middle part of your throat and it is two counts long. Hun for dhamma circle ellipse attached with noon. Noon gets sifa kunna. This kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. From your middle part of your throat, with fatha, the sound is short. Lal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mu for dhamma circle left, make it two counts long. Si for kasra give e sound. Ai, ain from your throat for kasra give e sound. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Da for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Uru, Ra is heavy and give little takrar. The sound is short. Hu for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Hua, makhraj of pause, circling your lips. A from middle part of your throat with fatha, the sound is short. Lal for fatha upon jaws, attach it. Lam will get sip up. Tawasut. Muqa for the circle lips, as you will touch qaf, your lips should be in a straight position. Qaf will get sifa qalqala and it is heavy. Muqa. T. Ta is sharp for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Ri. Ra is light because there is kasra on it and the sound is short. Qaf is heavy. Fatha upon jaws. Da. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Uru. Ra should have takrar in ra. For dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Who for dhamma circle lips, make it two counts long. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ta two counts long. An iqlab, you're changing the sound of noon into meme. So make sure you're saying the original meme. Am bil for kasra give e sound attach it. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ma for fatha upon jaws attach it. Ain will get sifa of tawassut and ain should be middle part of your throat. Uruf. Because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long wall into four. This is madarat li sukun. And the sukun on fa will bring in rakhawa on fa. معروف حق with hams for fatha open jaws attach it. Qaf will get sipa off. Shidda first and haq and then qan. Then there will be suffice tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Qan and qaf will be heavy. Haqqan ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lal for fatha to sound short with and it is attached with lam. Both lams are light and this lam will get the second lam will get sifa tawassut. Lal muh for the circle lips attached with ha will get sifa of rukhawa and it is from middle part of your throat. Muh C for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Neen. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long over into four. This is madarat lis sukun. لا جناح عليكم إن طلقتم النساء ما لم تمسوهن أو تفرضوا لهن فريضة ومتعوهن على الموسع قدره وعلى المقتر قدره متاعا بالمعروف حقا على المحسنين. ومخرج of vowel circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws. For kasra give e sound. Hamza is sharp and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is heavy. For to make any letter any ikhfa heavy, you have to lift your tongue up. Qal. Ta is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut and keep lam light. Qal. Laqo. Lam is light for fatha upon jaws attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala. Two for the circle lips, the sound is short. Mu for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Hun for the circle lips, attach it. No, will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Meow for kasra give e sound. Then and the ikhfa is heavy. To make ikhfa heavy, you're lifting your tongue up nicely. Qab. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attach with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Keep ba light. Because of qaf, don't make ba heavy. قابلي focus give E sound, the sound is short. Uh, Fatha upon jaws, and then this ikhfa is light. You're keeping your tongue straight and you're going towards the makhraj of ta. Ta. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mas. For fatha upon jaws attached with sin. Sin gets for khawa. It has safir and it is light. Su. For the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Hun. For the circle lips attached with nun. Nun gets kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Wa. Makhraj of waw is circle in your lips. For fatha upon jaws. Qad. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal will be light and it will get sifa qalqala. F. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short with hams. Rad. Ra will get sifa of takreer, little, and ra will be heavy because there is fatha on it. Rad. Dot will be heavy. Dot will get sifa of rakhawa and istitala. Rad. Tum. For the circle ellipse attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. La. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hun. For the circle ellipse attached with nun, nun will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Hun. Na. With fatha, the sound is short. Fa. Give hams in fa. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ri. Ra is light because there is kasra on it. And it is long vowel, so make it 2 counts long. Ri. Da. Da. Da is heavy. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ta. Ta with fatha, it has shidda sound. And there's ikhfa coming up. This ikhfa is light. So you keep your tongue straight. You are keeping your mouth ready to say letter fa, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Ta, fa. Give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. Nis. Nun is light for kasra give e sound attached to sod. Sod with let's fa for khawa. It is heavy and it has safir. Nisfu. For the circle lips, the sound is short. Ma. 2 counts long. Fa. Give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. Rab. Ra is heavy. Bit takrar for fatha, the sound is short and heavy. Attach a dot. Dal will get sifa for rakhawa. It has istitala and it has rakhawa. Rab. Tum. For the circle lips attach it mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Il. Hamza is sharp for kasra give e sound attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La. Mad. Munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. Ay. Idgham naqis baghunna. Ay. Yeah. For fatha upon jaws attach it ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. Fu. For the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ow. Hamza is sharp. But wow is lean. When you're attaching fatha with wow, you're making it soft. Ow. Yeah. Yeah, it's light for fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from middle part of your throat, and make sure ain is always light. I don't know why people mix it up with heavy letter, but ain is always light. So light means you're not lifting your tongue at all. Yeah. Fu. For the circle lips, the sound is short with hams. Well. Makhraj of waw is circle in your lips. Fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The. 2 counts long. B. For kasra give e sound. Iya. Soft. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The. For kasra give e sound. He. 2 counts long. Ruq. Ain from middle part of your throat. For dhamma circle lips attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala, and qaf is heavy. Ruq. Da. Dal is sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Tun. Ta is light for the circle lips attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal. Tun. Ni. For kasra give e sound. Kah. because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarid lissakoon. هو مخرج الواو circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. For fatha upon jaws and hamza is sharp. And then there is ikhfa coming up. This ikhfa is light, so you keep your tongue straight and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Ta. Ta is sharp of a top and jaws attach it. Nine and gets it off. Those so then should be from your middle part of your throat. Foo. Give hums in fa first and then make it four counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Aqo. For top and jaws attach it. Qaf will be heavy, but hamza will be light. Aqo. And qaf will get sifaf qalqala. Or ra is heavy with the takrar for fatha open jaws, and ra is yes, ra is heavy. Or ra wu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Lit for kasra give e sound attached with ta, ta will get sifaf shidda, the sound will cut off abruptly. Lit taqo, ta is light, and then qaf will be heavy and qaf will get sifaf qalqala. Huwa two counts long. هو مخرج الواو circling your lips for top and jaws. لا two counts long. Ta. Ta is sharp for top and jaws, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light because seen is among light letters. Ta. Sa for top and jaws, the sound is short. Ul makhraj of waw circling your lips. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position with tawassut. Wool felt fa is light for fatha and jaws attached. Dot will get of raqawa, and it has istitala, and it has raqawa, and it is heavy. Felt la for fatha and jaws, the sound is short. By yailin, so when you're attaching fatha with ya, you're making it soft. Na for fatha and jaws, the sound is short. Kum for the circle ellipse attached. Mim will get of the wasut. In for kasra give e sound attached. Nun yes gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for longer time. Now lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Now lafz jalala is always long. Ha for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. B for kasra give e sound. Ma two counts long. Ta for fatha upon jaws attached to ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut. Ain should be from middle part of your throat. Ma for fatha upon jaws. Lu for the ma circle left, make it go two counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Ba for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Sleep. Because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukoon here. And this temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat less sukoon. But and raw now, raw with waqf, it is heavy because you can see harfe ya before sakin letter, sakin raw. So raw will be light now. وَإِن طَلَّقْتُمُوهُنَّ مِن قَبْلِ أَن تَمَسُّوهُنَّ وقد فرضتم لهن فريضة فنصف ما فرضتم إلا أن يعفون أو يعفو الذي بيده عقدة النكاح وأن تعفوا أقرب للتقوى ولا تنسوا الفضل بينكم إن الله بما تعملون بصير. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.